Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's time for another FabFitFun mystery bundle unboxing. It has been a while and I've been picking one up over the last few sales at about each sale along with whatever other extras I buy, usually happy socks. I have not had much time to film lately. Life has been busy, work has been busy, but I did have an extra day off this week. So I was able to pull out my FabFitFun box and grab out these bundles. I was looking at it like pretty much every day, at least once a day, with like this guilty feeling like, whoa, I really need to get on this. But anyway, today's bundle is 2103-MYS-036. I'm going to go ahead and just cut this knot off because I don't have time for knots. Okay. Oops. Never mind. Alright. So the first item out, let me move this to the side, is a bread puff for your hair or wrist. An elastic band encased in puffy fabric, better known as a scrunchie or a choo-choo. It's extra stretchy for all the hair. Used to wear your hair up or put on your wrist as an accessory. The satin finish means it won't leave dents or tug on your delicate strands. Gently cold hand wash to refresh your puff. Okay, a scrunchie. I'll toss it in my desk drawer. I like to put my hair up when I'm at work because otherwise it's just flopping around getting in my way, so this will come in handy. So next up we have a Karuna hand mask with argan and macadamia oil. Nourish, hydrate, and revive, free of parabens, phthalates, formaldehyde, and gluten. 8-pack. These are definitely going to come in handy this winter because I live in a cold zone and I get dry. My hands basically shred all winter long, so this is going to be amazing. I'm so happy to see that. Now the next item is a True and Luscious Spellbinder makeup setting spray, infused with pineapple juice and rose water. Oh, nice. So it says it's suitable for all skin types with an exotic botanical blend. I have never used a makeup setting spray. I'm kind of basic when it comes to makeup, but I would definitely give it a try. Either that, I might ask around my family to see who needs it. One of the two. And the last item is something I seem to be getting in like all my bundles lately. They must really have an overrun of these. And that is a weekly plan bundle. And that comes with a magnet list pad, a puzzle book, and a planning like paper, a weekly task pad it's called. It just has spots to like write your grocery lists, your to-dos. And I do use these on a regular basis anyway. The puzzle books from these that I've been getting, the nursing home near me is actually having like an elder secret Santa where you can just pick someone and go off their wish list and get some stuff. And I'm using these puzzle boxes as kind of like an add-on for those presents that I'm doing. I picked several names just to go at it, but those are good for people like older people, especially to keep their minds active. So that's where all of those are going. So that is the last item for this bundle. So I'll just kind of recap. We've got the list pad, the puzzle book, and the task pad. And then we have the hand masks, which is probably my favorite item out of this bundle. This makeup setting spray, which I'm not too sure about, but we will see. And a scrunchie, which always comes in handy. If I don't tuck it in my work box, I may include it in a box that I'm putting together out of some of my recent bundles. In the month of December, I will be having a subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to mail out a little flat rate box full of just some interesting items I've come across in these bundles, and that'll just go to one lucky subscriber. I'll have more details on that when we get into December, but for now, here's bundle number 1 from my recents, and I will be back soon with another bundle. In the meantime, have a great night and take care, everybody.